A life saved, the emotional rescue of wild python. This may be a short video, but the story behind it carries a deep message. It may not be directly linked to our work with marine treasure, but it beautifully reflects a big truth. Our lives, the terrestrial world, the marine world, and the entire ecosystem are deeply connected. Every action we take touches another life. Whether we realize it or not, we share this earth with countless creatures, and our responsibility is simple: we must protect, not disturb. Today morning, my brother came across a moment that would stay with us forever. While walking near the fishing area, his attention was caught by a wild python tangled in the fishing net. The poor snake was struggling desperately to free itself, but the more it fought, the tighter the net became. It was heartbreaking sight, the fear and the helplessness, the silent cry for the help. Without wasting a second, my brother immediately called snake rescuer Mr. Swapnil Gosavi. His calmness and experience and love for wildlife made all the difference. He arrived quickly, assessed the situation, and with a careful hands and composed mind, he started working to release the trapped snake. It was not just about cutting the net, it was about saving life. It was about giving back freedom to creature that belonged to the wild. After a few tense moments, the python was finally freed, tired but safe. Watching it slither back into the natural home was an emotional moment for all of us. It reminded us of something we often forget in the rush of our daily lives. We all are visitors here: the earth, the forest, the ocean. They belong to nature and its countless species. Nature can take care of itself. It only needs us to stop disturbing it. Fishing net, plastic, human carelessness silently endanger wildlife every day. This incident is a wake up call, not just to act when we see trouble, but to prevent such a trouble from happening in the first place. I deeply thank my brother for being so alert and Mr. Gosavi for his timely rescue and dedication. Heroes like them quickly make a difference, one life at a time. Let's stay aware, let's stay compassionate, let's respect every life. Marine Convergence. Meet the wild heart of the nature. Just a moment ago, we witnessed a powerful and successful snake rescue, a reminder that nature's rhythm flows through every life, whether in the ocean or the forest. Today, on the occasion of World Snake Day, I feel deeply moved to introduce someone very special, not just a friend, but a brother in spirit and a true guardian of the wild. He has dedicated his life to wildlife conservation, training over 200 individuals in the snake rescue, conducting nature trails, and leading awareness campaign, and tirelessly working to build a bridge between human and nature. His journey has not only impacted countless lives, but also has been recognized through a research publication and heartfelt media stories. He is the founder of Eco Foundation, and his work echoes through every forest trail and every rescued life. Though he is now facing serious health challenges, his spirit remains unshaken. Even in his difficult time, he continues to inspire, wishing to share his message with the world, a message of respect, coexistence, and unwavering love for the nature. Let us take a moment to listen to him and send our deepest prayer for his healing and strength. His light continues to guide many, and today we stand with him in gratitude, in respect, and in hope.
This is Nitin Walmiki. I want to say, world of snakes are found nearby our nature. The snakes are very important characters in our nature. The snakes are important to farmers and other residents in life. Snakes are important for socio-economic zone. Snakes are very important. Snakes are very important characters in nature. Snake conserved to be high probability in nature.
Thank you for your understanding. Kindly spread this message by subscribing this channel. We'll meet again with one more beautiful marine treasure. Thank you. Bye bye.